Alright, we're going to make a milkshake. So, grab a cow, put it in the freezer. When your cow is cold enough, take it out and shake it. And then milk it. Congratulations, you have successfully made a milkshake. All jokes aside, I'm going to make a real one, of course. And for that you need 2 to 3 tablespoons of vanilla ice cream. And you may think it's way too early in the year to make a milkshake, but it's never too early to make a milkshake. Also, I don't want my fruit to go bad. Speaking of, I have a handful of raspberries here. I already washed them under the sink. You can of course use any fruit you like. I'm using raspberries, but take whatever you want. To my raspberries and ice cream I'm going to add some milk, oat milk, just enough to cover every ingredient. Of course, it's up to you how much ice cream or fruit or milk you use. And mix it all together. Now you can of course get whipped cream from a can, pre-made, but I thought it would be fun to make my own. So what you need for that is some 30% cream and some clean utensils, and just whip it until it's stiff. I forgot how much of a pain it is to make your own whipped cream, but there it is. Next time I'll just get a can of pre-made whipped cream. Anyway, pour your milkshake into a glass, add your whipped cream, and top it off with some cinnamon. And there you go, a fresh homemade raspberry milkshake. A nice pink milkshake. Oh, that's good. You can really taste the fruit with a hint of cinnamon. It's nice and fresh and creamy. Delicious. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.